Hey everyone, I'm going to be talking about Crawler, one of the projects I worked on at Flatiron School. Crawler is a web app to host and be invited to food crawling or bar hopping events. The project was developed using Ruby on Rails and Bootstrap 4, so let's get right to it. Let's say we're starting fresh with no account and I want to use the app. I'm going to click on the sign up button and fill in my information. So let's say new user 1, and it's going to be John Doe or something, and with a password and a password confirmation. So I'm going to click on create my account. After clicking on the create an account button, it'll redirect me back to the login page. So you made a new account. Let's try logging in, but I used the wrong password and I sign in. I'll get an error message letting me know what's happening. So I'm going to try again with the right credentials, and here we are on my home page. As expected, I have no crawls, so let's go make one. I'm going to fill in some information. So let's just call it, let's go around Las Vegas. You'll see that the location is set default to Las Vegas, Nevada. Our seed data for restaurant locations are from a free data set provided from Yelp. So my partner and I decided that it would be appropriate for an app like this to use locations from Las Vegas. So let's set it for a couple of hours. Let's set it on like May 5th, 2020. And then there's the crawl that we just created. Let's go take a look at it. Here we see some of the information we filled in from before. We can also invite people that are also already on this platform. So it's like invite Nick or invite Ken. But let's go add some places. So what kind of place we want to go to, we'll pick restaurant first, and we'll go for like 2 hours or so. And we can choose some categories. This time I'm in the mood for burgers. I'm going to sit next. And the app will then give us the 10 closest places based on the categories that we chose. Since this is the first stop, we'll choose the 10 closest places near the Las Vegas Strip using the geocoder gem. Conveniently enough, the dataset that was provided by Yelp also has latitude and longitude coordinates, which makes distance calcs much easier. So I'm going to add a place to the crawl, and there it is. It'll redirect us back to the crawl page and show us the place that we just added, along with the map of all the places we'll be visiting using Google Static Maps. Let's say we want to add a bar on our call. So select bar, and we'll be there for another hour. And we want, I don't know, let's say cocktail bars. The 10 closest places that are given to us this time around will be determined by the last place that we added. So in this case, it would be the Divine Eatery. So I'm going to choose PT Gold and add it to my crawl. And here our map got updated accordingly. Let's say I want to log out and check my invites as Nick. I'm going to log out. I'm going to log in as Nick. And then 2, 3. And if these are the ones I'm hosting, but if I click on my invited crawls, these are the ones that I've been invited to. So there you have it. Links to the repository and the Heroku live site is in the description below. Thanks for watching.